Hi children, welcome back. So previously we have solved one numerical problem. This is our next second numerical problem. Let us understand how this numerical problem could be solved. So one of the easy and basic way to solve the numerical problem. So watch till the end so that you will understand how the basic steps involved in solving numerical problems. Okay. So let us understand the question first. So according to the question, you see here the odometer of a car reads 2000 kilometer, right, at the start of a trip. That means before start of a trip, the odometer shows the reading 2000 kilometer and 2400 kilometer at the end of the trip. So during a trip, before start 2000 kilometer and at the end 2400 kilometer, right. If the trip took, so in order to cover 2000 kilometer to 2400 kilometer, the time taken would be 8 hours. Calculate the average speed. Now we have to find the average speed of the car in both kilometer per hour and meter per second. This is the question. So two things we have to find. Average speed we have to find in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. So let us first thing first, we have to extract the values. So the total distance covered, how can we write? Final distance minus initial distance, isn't it? So here we write distance covered. Distance covered is equal to how much? 2400 kilometer minus 2000 kilometer, isn't it? So the total distance would be 400 kilometer. Got it? Simple. Now let us find the time. Time taken would be here 8 hours. So straight away we write the time, that is T is equal to 8 hours. So here when distance is in kilometer, hour exists in hour, so the units are okay. Now average speed we have to find. We know the formula of average speed, isn't it? So average speed, what would be the symbol? V average, isn't it? Is equal to distance travelled by time. So here distance, here we write it as S. So distance travelled, total distance, isn't it? Distance travelled by time taken. So what is the total distance? Distance is 400 kilometer. Sorry, yes, 400 kilometer divided by time taken to cover 400 kilometer would be 8 hours, isn't it? So 8 hours. So upon solving this, what will we get? So we will get here. So 8 ones are 8, 5 8s are 40. So 50 kilometer per hour. Got it? So this is the distance, average speed of the car in kilometer per hour. Now this we have found out, isn't it? Now we have to convert, we have to find in meter per second also. So in order to convert the kilometer per hour into meter per second, what we can do? So long process we can adopt, that is simply here right side we will see 50 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? Now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and each minute have 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. Got it? Now we have to convert, in order to convert this, what we will do? 50 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. So upon solving this, here we will get 5 2s are and here 18. So upon solving this way we have to do. So instead of going through this tough process, simply what we can do is, whenever speed exists in kilometer per hour, it can be converted into meter per second by simply multiplying the value of kilometer per hour by 5 by 18. Okay. So simple way. So we can write the second part of this question, average speed in meter per second also we have to. So in order to do that, what we will do? 50 kilometer per hour. In order to convert this into meter per second, what we will do? 50 multiplied by 5 by 18. This is the simple process. So in the future numerical problems also, whenever you find conversion of kilometer per hour into meter per second, this you always keep in mind. You have to multiply the value of kilometer per hour into 5 by 18. So reverse is also possible. If value is given in meter per second, you can convert it into kilometer per hour by just reversing the value, that is 18 by 5. So this you keep in mind, we will do in the future videos also. Okay, so we can divide it, isn't it? So 9 2s are 18, here 25 2s are, this comes, so here 25 into 5, this is 125 divided by 9, isn't it? So here the final value would be in meter per second would be 13.9 meter per second. Got it? So this is how such type of numerical problems could be solved. So see you in the next. Bye bye.